Okay, this question is basically about properties of integrals. This says that if the integral from 4 to negative 10 is negative 3, from 4 to 6 is 5, then the integral from negative 10 to 6 is what? So there are a couple ways of doing this. I kind of like to, I just try to note the numbers that are involved as the limits of integration and put them in order. So like I see a 4, I see a negative 10, and a 6. So putting those in order, like negative 10 comes first, then 4, and then 6. And so, like, the integral from negative 10 to 6, which is what we want here, that would be the integral. So actually, I'll just write very informally. I don't even need to write g of x because that's the only function involved. But like that is going to be the sum total of, right, the integral from negative 10 to 4 plus the integral from 4 to 6. And so, like, let's see if we can get what the orange is, right? Do they tell us what the orange is? So from negative 10 to 4, no, they didn't. They told us that the integral from 4 to negative 10 is negative 3, but that must mean that the integral from negative 10 to 4 is the opposite of that. That's a property of integral. So I know that this is a 3, or what I want to be here is a 3, and then I'm going to add that to the integral from 4 to 6, which they told us is a 5, right? 4 to 6, they told us directly that's a 5. And so it's just going to be 3 plus 5, which is 8, which is D.